Okay, so I just fixed the Tron lights. Everything turns on. The only thing I'm seeing now is there's like this real loud humming noise that comes out of the. I think it's somewhere over here. It makes like a really loud humming noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but when I turn it on, it makes a really loud humming noise. And when it changes the pitch of the hum depending on like if I disconnect like a wire. Like if I disconnect one of these, it changes the pitch. If I disconnect both of them, it still makes the hum. It's just a different tone. So I'm gonna turn it on real quick so you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's like a noise coming in from inside here. And when I disconnect one of these, it's like a higher tone sound now. If I disconnect both of them, now it's even higher pitch. So I don't know why it's doing that. So I'm gonna reconnect the wires and you can hear the sound go back. So there you go. I mean, the lights are all on. Front lights are on. I don't know. Is it like the sound changes depending on the wire? Like if I unplug two of them, it becomes higher pitch. Like is something... I don't know. It's weird because I didn't have this issue before. But I think the issue started when I like unplugged the wires to like take the old Tron lights off. I don't know if that's when it started. That might have been when it started, but I don't know if there's something. Like, it's a pretty loud whining noise. I don't know, am I good to just put the deck back on? But it's probably gonna get annoying if I keep it on like that, because it didn't make this noise before.